Hey y'all, it's Xavier. Welcome to the channel or welcome back. Today we're going to be watching Happy Gilmore. It's a purely watching this because I see Happy Gilmore 2 coming out. It's out on Netflix now, and I figured I can't watch Happy Gilmore 2 without watching the first one. And so I might do a reaction to Happy Gilmore 2. But yeah, first I had to watch this one. So synopsis is: a would-be hockey player takes his wicked slap shot and anger issues to the world of professional golf to win enough money to save his grandma's house. Bob Barker, I've just seen like one or two, like him punching Bob Barker on the golf course. I think that's the only scene of this movie I've ever seen, so that's my basic knowledge. Yeah, let's see more. Let's get into it.
My name is Happy Gilmore. Ever since I was old enough to skate, I loved hockey. Wasn't really the greatest skater, though. But that didn't stop my dad from teaching me the secret of smacking the greatest slap shot. He always said that when I grew up, I could be anything I wanted to be. But I never wanted to be anything but a hockey player. After the funeral, I was sent to live with my grandma in
What? That killed him?
I was kind of nervous since I really didn't know her that well.
Well, at least he went out with
She
what he
dressed
loved.
like Gene Simmons from Kiss to cheer me up. She's the sweetest person in the world. Instead of asking for it back, I felt I had to belt him in the head a bunch of times with a hammer. But most of the time, I was quick to say I was sorry. Most time spent in a penalty box, and I was the only guy to ever take off his skate and try to stab somebody.
Oh, what?
I was a road worker, a janitor,
Okay, yeah, that's his favorite move, I see.
a security guard, a gas station attendant, and a plumber. Got in the way. Apparently, he also has a short fuse. He got a few lucky punches in there, but I still feel I won the fight.
My puck, baby! Don't you ever touch my puck!
How many times this guy tried out anyway?
At least 10 times. Guy's got a lot of intensity.
Can't skate though.
Not a real strong skater, though.
Right.
What a shot.
16.
They saw my power, man. Ain't no way they're gonna dog me this year.
The rest of you, if your number wasn't called, better luck next year. I called your number, didn't I?
No, you didn't.
Oh. Well, better luck next year.
No, that wasn't very nice.
Whoa! That's not how you get on the team, bro.
Can you just stick around? I kinda had a rough day.
Bye.
When are you getting back?
Never.
Oh.
All you ever talk about is being a pro hockey player, but there's a problem. You're not any good.
He's not.
Damn good. You know what? You're a lousy kindergarten teacher. I seen those finger paintings you bring home and they suck.
I'm sorry, babe. I didn't mean.
Get the hell out of my life. Who needs you? Beat it. Leave me alone.
I'm sorry, babe. I didn't mean that either. I just yell sometimes because I get so scared. Why don't you just come back upstairs, honey?
She's not there.
Give you the old smoochy smoo kissy wissy. You know Happy's gonna make everything okay.
Bro, what?
I wanna kiss you all over. How the night closes in. Terry.
Not Terry.
All right, sit tight. I'll be right over.
Is that lady there with him?
Hey! You know our breakfast?
Of course. I thought so.
Your grandmother hasn't paid her taxes in over a decade.
What? Old. You can't just take her stuff. She's too old.
Now you're really gonna be mad. I have to take the house too. Mrs. Gilmore owes the IRS $270,000 in back taxes.
Oh.
What? 270?
Together in 90 days, we're gonna have to sell the house to someone else. You hate me, don't you?
No, I don't hate you.
He hates him.
He hates me.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, this place is perfect. You're gonna make friends in no time.
You tell me, how's that nice girlfriend?
She left him.
Oh, she got hit by a car. She's dead.
Oh, pardon me, but it's nap.
What? He's in this movie?
Extra special character. You know what I'm talking about here?
I can't accept that.
Sir, could I trouble you for a glass of warm milk?
You could trouble me for a warm glass of shut the hell up.
Oh.
Now you will go to sleep, or I will put you to sleep. You're in my world now, Grandma.
Oh, dear.
Yeah. Oh, dear, for real.
Oh my God, you got a hold of that one.
I'd like to see you try it.
You hit a ball past my ball, and we'll go straight back to work so you can watch your precious hockey game.
Hilarious. Look, I'm standing.
You like that?
Oh, well, that's a lot.
Holy shit! Beginner's luck. $20 says you can't do it again.
And he's gonna do it again.
Are you gonna pay for that?
You hit that guy.
He shouldn't have been standing there. All right, maybe we should get back inside. All right. Thanks, man. Tell your friends.
That's great. Very good. It's all in the hips.
All right, 50.
She's terrible.
Any takers?
Hey, you should play in the Waterbury Open tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. I'll see you guys there.
You're a terrible kid.
Hey, mister, you gotta wear a helmet.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, yeah. Bring that shit on, man. Oh, God. Oh, God, that hurt a little, but I'm all right.
64 more days till next year's hockey tryouts. I gotta toughen up.
Yeah, you have issues. Very deep issues.
I'm offering to teach you how to play golf personally. For free.
No.
Sports Illustrated said I was going to be the next Arnold Palmer. They wouldn't let me play on the Pro Tour anymore.
Oh, I'm sorry. Because you're black?
No.
Hell no. Damned alligator bit my hand off.
Oh, my God.
Damned alligator just popped up. Cut me down in my prime. One of that bastard's eyes out, though. Look at that.
You're pretty sick.
Yeah, very.
Never seen anybody that hit that ball half as...
What are you doing, kid? Get out of there.
You win the Open tomorrow, you're automatically on the Pro Tour. Then who knows? Maybe you win the Tour Championship one day. That gold jacket like I never got.
Gold jacket, green jacket, who gives a shit?
Yeah. Don't worry about that. Made of wood. It's real sturdy.
Car gonna drive over it. Oh, a truck.
Oh, boy. Sorry about that. Yeah. So,
Prime to make the big bucks.
Yeah, the money.
Hey, Chubbs. What kind of big bucks? Stupid golf clubs. Why the hell am I doing this? Whoa, must be Burt Reynolds or something.
Good morning. Sun, isn't this great? Blue skies, fresh cut grass, birds chirping.
You're gonna recite me a poem? Easy. Geez, you love this golf stuff, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Figure a guy your
Look at his hand.
sport like football.
Well, my mama wouldn't sign a permission slip. Thought it might be a little too dangerous.
Oh, yeah, good call.
Of course, I've heard you've done some really interesting things here. Public relations.
Really? Because I'm working on a cross
No.
right now with
Geez, you
some
know
of
what
our...
would be great? If I could get a Pepsi. Oh, miss?
Yeah.
Diet?
I'm sorry.
By the way, thanks for dressing up.
Yeah, very classy.
Although only one of you gets to be my colleague, all of you are now my friend.
Oh, brother.
Now go get him.
Why don't you just watch me and make sure I don't do anything stupid, okay?
Mr. Gilmore, Mr. Lafferty will be teeing off now.
All right. Good luck, buddy.
You're in his way.
Get out of the way.
Where were you on that one, dipshit?
Hilarious. Ooh.
It's all in. Come on. Work with me now. It's all Yeah, it's all in the hips. It's all in the hips. Get off! Easing the tension, baby. Just easing the tension.
Well, ease it on someone else.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Good. Now we just worry about putting, huh?
Oh, yeah, putting.
Yeah, I bet he can put.
Don't break the wrist and bring that putter back
Whoa,
just
whoa,
like...
You're confusing me. Just let me put the ball in the hole.
This guy kidding? This is pathetic.
Oh, this is terrible.
Yeah!
Yay.
About time.
Hey, it is about time. I mean, I just couldn't get the ball in the hole. I wanted to, but I just couldn't do it. Hey, let me do it.
Yeah, hole in one.
Oh, man, that was so much easier than putting. I should just try to get the ball in one shot every time.
Good play.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yes, nice shot.
He just got a hole-in-one on a par 4.
I know. I just said I saw it. You know what else could draw a crowd? A golfer with an arm growing out of his ass.
Yeah, that is true.
Make this one in 4 less shots, you win the tournament.
How many shots is it's gonna take? 4 shots, isn't it? Oh, jeez. Wow.
Don't worry about it. You're still in good shape. Just tap it in now. Hey, just tap it in.
2 more chances. 2 more. Oh. 1 more. Yeah.
That's cute.
Very cute.
I took my skate off and tried to stab somebody. I'm the only guy who ever did that.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
All right. So no matter what, I'm gonna get some money.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'll see you next week then.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
Maybe the guy at the trophy store could put a little hockey guy on there. Who the hell would know?
Happy, shut your trap.
All right.
A lot of that was luck.
Well, some might call it luck. I'd like to call it, well, luck, I guess. So
Yeah.
All we need to do is develop the rest of your game. Then you'd be unstoppable, son.
You're probably right, but I just can't wait. I need money.
That's spoken like a true asshole. Look, just give me
He doesn't have 6 months.
The price is $200 per quilt. Yeah, well, this is handmade quality shit we're talking here. I got good news. We're extending arts and crafts time by 4 hours today.
My fingers hurt.
Now your back's gonna hurt because you just pulled landscaping duty. Anybody else's fingers hurt? I didn't think so.
I'm glad to see you too, Grandma. I've been thinking about you all the time. It's like everybody's having fun here, huh?
Yeah, fun.
That orderly guy seems very nice. Don't you like him?
Oh, I do. I do. It's just...
Dude, it's wild.
Mister! Get this off of me!
You know that Mista lady? I think I just killed her.
Oh, it's the same lady from that jumped on the car. Bad time for her, man. Bad time for her.
Why don't you join us at 9 o'clock on the 9th green?
What happens there?
That's a secret of the pros.
Oh, all right.
What is actually gonna happen here? Oh,
Almost 9 o'clock.
sprinklers. Sprinklers, I bet. Yeah.
I just need to beat the living piss out of him.
Wait, let me guess. The old 9th green at 9 trick, huh? But if you beat him up tonight, I've got to get up in the morning and explain to the papers why the new guy on the tour beat up Shooter McGavin. So you see, you'd really be making more work for me.
Oh, well, I wouldn't want to do that.
This is the last time I'm gonna tell you.
Oh, come on. He's
Stay
just trying to make some money.
Oh, it's that guy who's always in his movies.
Well, on the pro tour, you provide your own caddy.
Really? Ooh. All right.
Is he gonna get the...
Hey, easy with those clubs, all right? They're antiques.
Yeah,
Gary Potter, great to have you on the tour, Happy.
of course.
I feel a lot of solid energy.
I knew that was too short of a cameo for his friend.
Harness, energy, block, bad. Feel the flow, Happy. Feel it. It's
That
circular.
haircut, man. The lion. What's up with that?
And around.
Oh, forehead.
Circular. Circle.
Sorry, that's all I'm focusing on right now. Sorry, my bad.
Thanks.
Yeah, all right. Well, great. Thanks a lot. Nice to meet you, man. Psycho.
Fucking shit! Fuck me in the fucking ass! Fuck you, you fuck that!
Sorry.
Psycho.
What a shot by Happy Gilmore. Who the hell is
I think you should use a 5-out.
Think so? Give me my wedge. 5-iron, huh? Well, you're fired. Bye-bye.
Oh,
Happy riding a bull?
Happy, the ball itself has its own energy. Or life force.
no, it doesn't.
Bring him to the airport. Send him home.
Time to go home there, Ball.
Son of a bitch, Ball. Why didn't you just go home? That's your home!
Suck my white ass ball!
A colorful, emotional, working-class hero.
I will not tolerate behavior like this. Gilmore is gone.
They just sold out.
Already?
I know, he's a little rough around the edges.
Little?
Piece of monkey!
Fine. But he's your responsibility. Any more of this,
Suck it, oh, you fucking lie, mother.
and he's gone.
You fucking play it where it lies.
And Shooter's not about to let his reign at the top be spoiled by some freak sideshow clown.
Did you just call me a freak?
Yeah,
Kicking your ass.
Well, I'd like to see you try.
what?
Hey, I meant on a golf course. Just stay out of my way, or you'll pay. Listen to what I say.
How about I just go eat some hay?
What's with the rhyming?
I can make things out of clay and lay by the bay. I just may. What do you say?
I mean, no swearing, no throwing clubs, and especially no hitting other players.
Oh, good. You mean no fun? I will work on what you call behaving, but I ain't gonna act like a stiff out there.
Fine. Thank you.
We don't need you to be a stiff. We just need you to not be violent.
Oh, now you wanna get some food?
Oh, no, thanks. I don't date golfers.
Oh, good, because I'm a hockey player.
Don't be alarmed, Mr. Gilmore. I know we had our problems, but I'm truly proud of you.
Why is it still unsaid?
How's that, thing feeling?
Oh, terrific. The nail comes out next week.
Oh.
Well, you can hardly even notice it.
Happy Gilmore accomplished that feat no more than an hour ago.
Well, moron, good for Happy Gilmore. Oh, my God! Oh, my God.
Haven't you forgotten your 9-iron?
I've seen that guy before. Who is he? The height and the face is very familiar.
I think I even saw one guy wearing one of those beer-dispensing plastic helmets.
Slightly downhill?
And slanting left.
No, it just seems that way because you only got one shoe on.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
That makes sense.
You got the ball?
Uh-oh, here comes the putter throw. Wait, he's restrained himself.
Oh.
Give it here! Pop it up, you dirty...
Okay, how is this?
God, I'll rip it out of you! Give me the ball, alligator. Ah!
You've got one.
Oh, it's the same alligator.
Goodbye, darling.
Like a prison.
And then I placed it in the woods because it's made of wood, and I just thought he should be with his family. At least I didn't punch anybody.
Wow, what an accomplishment.
Okay, we'll go on a date. But just as friends, all right?
Yeah, just as friends. Slow down. I don't want to be more than friends. It's getting very scary in here.
Did you set this up?
No.
Maybe.
I thought we were gonna be just friends.
What? Friends listen to Endless Love in the Dark? I'll make you a bet.
Do you always carry a puck around?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. For some reason, it does.
If you get that puck in that net over there, I'll never bother you again. If you miss, you gotta give me a big fat kiss.
Okay, I see the chemistry between them, but I don't know why she likes him. It doesn't make... It's not very apparent to me, you know?
Holy shit. Talk about your all-time backfires.
Happy.
She's gonna kiss him anyway. My love, my endless love. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, you've been a great audience, a great crowd.
Bob Barker. Wow, what an honor. Nice.
Okay, it's this scene.
Jackass. The club went further than the ball. The green's that way. Sure. You will not make this putt, you jackass. Nice shooting, soldier. Jackass.
Okay, so his name is Oh!
He and Bob Barker are now dead last.
There is no way that you could have been as bad at hockey as you are at golf. You like it? I want the whole thing.
Now you're gonna get it, Bobby.
Oh!
The price is wrong, bitch.
Great line.
Now you've had enough, bitch.
Well, look, let's get something to eat. There's a Red Lobster nearby. My treat.
No.
Maybe some other time.
Yeah.
Shooter, I thought we were gonna be friends.
No.
Oh, we're friends. We are. I just gotta go. I'll be at the Red Lobster in case you change your mind, Shooter. God bless.
He's not gonna be there.
You could get her a really nice condo.
My grandfather didn't build any condos with his bare hands. Damn it, I hate that Bob Barker.
Okay, there has got to be another way to get the $50,000.
Meaty, turkey-filled.
Cold cut combo.
Can I have one of those? Coming right.
Why wasn't he doing ads?
Talk about a hole-in-one.
That commercial put us up to $275,000. Let's go get your house back.
Oh, happy. Oh my God, they're auctioning off the house.
No, this could be good. We'll get the house back cheaper than we thought. Maybe not.
275. Add 275. 75 anywhere. Add 350,000 down front. Sold.
What the hell is the matter with you?
Well, real estate speculation is a hobby of mine.
I don't belong in this sport. I'm a hockey player.
Oh, really? What team do you play for?
Easy.
No.
Face it, Happy. You are a golfer.
If I beat you, I get the house back. You beat me, I'll quit.
You're in big trouble, though, pal. I eat pieces of shit like you for breakfast.
You eat pieces of shit for breakfast?
No.
Are you ready to get down to business and do exactly what I tell you to do?
Believe me, I'm ready.
Then let's get to work.
All right. I'm sorry. Here. Oh, here's your pinky.
Let's get a new hand, man. Let's get a new hand. Oh, close. That's the same guy.
Yeah. You're gonna die, clown.
Think of a place that's really perfect. Your own happy place. Then putt.
Happy place.
Yeah, happy place. Okay. This is actually a good happy place. I get it. But beer though? Beer is fine, but two? You need a little margarita in there, a little something, you know? Up the vibe a little, you see me?
Yeah!
Yeah. A new hand? Or is it the alligator?
Remember the gator that got your hand? I got his head.
Why are you always there?
If I were you, I'd run.
No, no, you can't blame yourself.
Sorry, I laughed because I've seen that scene before. I just realized I've seen that scene before. I didn't realize it was from this movie.
Grizzly Adams had a beard.
Grizzly Adams did have a beard.
Who is that guy though? I like the sound. I like the sound effect on there. Yeah.
You know what the pathetic thing is? You've been playing golf your whole life.
Damn. That's a shot. Whoa.
Happy learned how to putt.
Shooter from the sand, playing like he really wants that jacket.
Ba-ba. Ba-ba.
It's good! And Shooter can't believe it.
Oh!
Hold it.
No! Yeah!
At the end of the third day, Happy Gilmore has taken the lead.
I need you here in the morning.
Well, it's the final day of the Tour Championship.
Of course. Cheating, cheating, cheating.
Oh, Happy is really on today.
Oh, the subway, cause they sponsor them.
There he is. That worm.
I beg your pardon?
Jackass!
Just keep off your feet for a few days.
To hell with that, I gotta finish up.
Do whatever you like. What would I know? I'm just a doctor.
Let's hope it doesn't affect his...
It probably will.
Happy Gilmore is in big trouble, Jack. He's lost the power to hit the long ball. Oh. He's really got to focus now.
Oh, jeez.
Bogey drops him out of the lead. He wants to stay in this thing. He has to calm down and sink some putts.
He's gotta do the happy place thing.
Go to a happy place. Go to a happy...
Oh, black this time. Oh.
Oh, God!
What?
This looks like the end for Happy Gilmore.
Oh, 4 back. Damn.
I just want you to be happy, darling.
All right, Grandma.
Scott Aaron, the power of love.
Chubbs.
White lace and promise.
Okay, I didn't know we were gonna get like a musical interlude.
And we're on our way.
It ain't over yet, McGavin.
Time for the comeback. Oh, 2 back now. Oh, I thought it was gonna be a holding one.
Go, Jack, it's yours. Shoot's got a choke.
I have no idea who that is. I'm sure that's a celeb cameo. No idea. Alright. Tied. I know I did this.
Ladies and gentlemen, the 18th hole is a par 3, 160 yards.
Nice shot. Right at the pin. 15 feet short of the hole.
Whoa! It's the tall guy.
Is this your ball?
The rule says play it as it lies.
How's this gonna work now?
That's 2 thus far, Shooter.
Oh, you can count. Good for you.
On me, waiting for you in the parking lot.
Is the violence really necessary? No, it is not.
Shooter needs this to keep the pressure.
Okay, the tower's gonna fall over, obviously.
He can 2-putt his way to victory. The cookie.
No, he has to hit it now. He has to play the ball as it lies.
Damn!
Hit it around the tower, sink your putt, and we'll go to sudden death.
Oh, earthquake.
I'll just beat him now.
Good luck.
Why did I look up? I don't know why I looked up. Great callback.
Wins the gold jacket.
That's mine! My jacket! Mine!
It's never that serious, man. Okay.
Hey, Happy.
Why is Abraham Lincoln there?
Nice jacket.
Alright, so that was Happy Gilmore, movie from 1996. So fun watch. I didn't love it. I will say that I didn't love it. I did like it though. It gave me a few laughs. The humor was mostly up to par. So like 70%, 80% of the jokes hits for me. A few of them were kind of like the violence. I know it's a movie about violence. Happy Gilmore, angry. So I understood it, but like some of it just felt a product of its time. So movie holds up for the most part, but in some areas it doesn't. Like about the dwarf, and then like the violence against Shooter, and I don't know, some of the over the top nature of that. Some of that was kind of like okay, and the relationship between Happy and Virginia, Julie Bowen's character, it was kind of maybe this is the product of how short movie, because it's an hour and a half movie. Even then, I don't know, I didn't buy their, let me see, I bought their chemistry, because you can see when they're together, I can see it a little bit, but how quickly they progressed and everything. And I just didn't buy it. It didn't feel, and I just didn't see she cared about him because he was good for the tour and he brought something new and everything, and it was like different. But I don't see it. Didn't show, the movie didn't show me how that translated into her liking him for him. I don't know. That didn't put all the way around for me. That's it. But it's a comedy movie, so, and it's the 90s, so I get it. It is what it is. So not to harp on that, but yeah. So like some of the humor didn't land for me, and the romance didn't quite all the way. So those are the cons of the movie. Don't think I can think of any more cons right now. But yeah, but overall, fun little romp. We see there are some celebrity cameos that I'm assuming that guy who was saying the line, the big black guy who was chosen at the match. I'm assuming he's a famous football player at the time. I need to look up who the cameos in this were. So I might stick some in here, I might not. Who knows? But yeah, so of course Bob Barker, he's one. There was a guy who kept popping up. Like, who was he? And anyone else? No, not that I can think of. Right. And so I said fun romp. You might and as the caddy, Adam Sandler's friend. I don't even know his name, but yeah, he's in what name? The Wedding Singer. He was in The Wedding Singer. He played the Lemon Driver guy. And he's in a lot of his other movies that I remember. But yeah, so I say a lot of but I should have just ended there really, because yeah, not a lot to say about this fun of the time. Most of the humor hits. A lot, not a lot. Some didn't. It is what it is. Product of its time. Hit the mark in a lot of aspects. So, we'll give like a 7 out of 10, something like that. A letterbox, I'll probably give it like a 3-star, 3.5 star, something like that. So, just my thinking of it, judging it for what it is as a comedy movie, and not like as a great masterpiece of theater, and not as a don't want to date as a 90s comedy movie to judge it. Anyway, well, obviously I had to judge it in this time. So, cause yeah, I'm just gonna be rambling. So that's it. Those are my thoughts, and see you next time. Maybe for Happy Gilmore 2.